My secret to perfume my house and eliminate cockroaches, ants, flies, mosquitoes, and much more. To start, I will use only the zest of 2 lemons. I will use a grater to facilitate this task. As soon as I remove the zest from the lemons, I will separate them and place them in another container to prepare the mixture. I am sure you will be impressed with the results of this combination. The next essential ingredient for this mixture is vinegar. The ideal amount is 200 milliliters. Vinegar is essential to avoid the presence of insects in the house. Apply this mixture to windows and doors will prevent the entry of all kinds of insects. It is always important to mix well when adding a new ingredient. Then, we will also add odor nails, which act directly against insects. Placing some nails in different areas of your house will be enough to repel insects. This tip is crucial. The next component we will use is alcohol. 200 milliliters are the ideal amount. Once the alcohol is added, we will mix it well. The bactericidal effect of alcohol is essential in this advice since it acts directly against insects. After adding it, we will mix again, and so we will have our mixture ready to use. To facilitate the application, I will use a sprayer. For this, I will filter the lemon zest with a strainer and pour the liquid into the sprayer. And before you forget me, please tell me which city you are watching us from to send you a warm hug. Today, the hug goes to Agustin de Oleo from Mexico. I am glad that you are enjoying our tips. You can also use a funnel to avoid wasting the mixture. Now we can apply the product. This tip is very useful to apply it directly on insects or in areas where you have problems with them. The direct application in drains, windows, and doors is the most recommended thing to avoid the entry of insects. However, applying directly on insects is also very effective. You will easily eliminate ants and even cockroaches in a matter of seconds. Please tell me later if you got the expected results when applying this product at home. I am sure you will get excellent results, as happens every time I use it and my house is free of insects. Thanks for watching this video. Finally, if you made it this far, leave me the phrase below, "house without insects," so I will know that you saw the whole video.